What if creating a cinematic AI video didn't start with 50 prompts, but with just one idea? Not one prompt for the character, another for the background, another for the animation, another for the edit. Just one idea. And the AI actually helps you direct the whole thing like a creative partner. That's exactly what Loova Agents is trying to do. And honestly, this feels very different from the normal AI workflow. So here's the challenge. I'm going to start with one sentence. A lone cyberpunk courier escapes a futuristic city while carrying forbidden memories. That's it. No storyboard, no script, no assets, just one idea. And now we're going to see if Loova Agents can actually turn that into a cinematic short film.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
Before jumping into the platform, let's do a quick search first. In the search bar, I type loova.ai. Then this is the website, I click it. Okay, so right away, it's positioning itself as an AI creative agent platform, not just another text-to-video generator. That already makes me curious, because those are two very different things. All right, let's open it up and see what this actually feels like. The first thing that immediately feels different about Loova Agents is that it doesn't just ask you for a prompt and spit out random images. Instead, the agent starts thinking with you. And this is the part most AI tools completely miss. Normally, with AI creation, you're basically gambling. You type something, hope for a good result, rewrite the prompt, generate again, repeat for an hour. But here, the agent starts planning before generating anything. You can literally watch it break the concept into a world, story arc, visual tone, characters, environments, camera ideas, and scene progression. And honestly, that changes the entire feeling of the workflow, because now it feels less like prompting a machine and more like directing a creative assistant. So the agent starts building the world. Neo-Tokyo-inspired city, rain, holograms, surveillance drones, a main character with a damaged memory implant. And while this is happening, everything appears on this massive, infinite canvas. This is one of the coolest parts of the platform. Instead of jumping between tabs, folders, timelines, and random generators, everything exists in one connected creative space. You can zoom out and literally see the story expanding visually in front of you. Characters here, scene ideas here, video generations here, alternative concepts over there. It feels closer to a real creative board than a traditional AI tool. And for visual creators, that's huge. Now, stay with me here, because this is where it gets interesting. The agent generates the first version of the character, and instead of stopping there, I ask, make him look more exhausted, like he hasn't slept in days. A few seconds later, the agent updates the character design. Same identity, same style, but now the emotion feels completely different. Then I push it further. Add signs that he's being hunted. Now the jacket changes. Small cuts appear. More tension in the face. Background drones appear in the concept shots. And this is the difference between random AI generation and directed creation. I'm not restarting from scratch every time. I'm evolving the same story, the same character, the same world, like an actual director. Next, we move into scene creation. The agent starts mapping out sequences automatically. Escape alley, train station chase, drone attack, rooftop confrontation, memory flashbacks, and instead of manually prompting every single shot one by one, Loova understands the overall direction of the story, so the scenes actually feel connected. The visual consistency stays intact. The atmosphere stays intact. Even the camera style starts feeling intentional. That's honestly rare with AI video tools right now. Now, I want to make things more cinematic, so I type, make the city feel more oppressive and intense. Immediately, the lighting changes. More rain, more contrast, more dramatic reflections. The drones become more aggressive. The streets feel denser. And the story suddenly feels like a real sci-fi film instead of disconnected AI clips. This right here is probably my favorite part of Loova Agents. You're not fighting the tool, you're collaborating with it. And here's something creators are going to love. The same character can instantly evolve into completely different creative directions. Watch this. I asked the agent to turn the exact same story into an anime opening sequence. Now suddenly the visuals become stylized. Sharper lighting, faster motion, more exaggerated action shots, same world, same character, completely different creative direction. Then I push it again. Turn this into a luxury tech commercial. And now the agent reframes everything like a product ad. Minimal cinematic shots, slow motion close-ups, clean futuristic typography, premium lighting. This is where the one character, infinite worlds concept actually clicks. You're not just generating clips. You're building reusable creative IP. Now let's talk about the actual video generation process, because this is usually where AI workflows fall apart. Most tools can create cool images, but turning those ideas into coherent motion is way harder. Inside Loova, the agent starts generating cinematic video sequences directly from the planned scenes. And because the entire workflow already understands the story context, the motion feels far more intentional. Camera pushes, environmental movement, lighting continuity, character consistency. Even small details like pacing start feeling more film-like, and while the clips are generating, I can keep directing. Add a drone explosion in the background. Make the chase sequence faster. Add tension before the reveal. The agent keeps adapting the story live, not restarting, not forgetting the context, actually evolving it. Now here's the moment where it finally clicked for me. At some point, I stopped thinking about prompts entirely. I was just directing. That's it. I wasn't obsessing over syntax or complicated wording. I was making creative decisions. And honestly, that's probably the real innovation here. Loova Agents is trying to remove the friction between imagination and execution, not by replacing creativity, but by amplifying it. And now we finally have the finished result. A complete cinematic AI short film that started from literally one sentence. One idea became a character, a world, a visual identity, a story arc, multiple scene generations, alternative creative directions, and finally, a finished cinematic sequence, all inside one workflow. No bouncing between 5 different tools, no disconnected generations, no chaos, just directed creation.
Forbidden glowing memory brighter!
And honestly, I think that's what makes Loova Agents feel different from most AI tools right now. Most AI generators give you outputs. Loova Agents gives you momentum. It feels like the AI is helping you think creatively instead of just generating random assets. And for creators, that changes everything, especially if you make YouTube videos, ads, anime concepts, short films, music visuals, or branded content. Because speed matters now, but creative control matters even more. Loova Agents basically turns AI creation into something closer to directing a movie than writing prompts into a box. And this honestly feels like where AI creative workflows are heading next. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you want more videos testing the newest AI creative tools, subscribe. Because the next generation of content creation is getting absolutely insane. See you in the next one.